Hello, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a good Christmas holiday and good New Year's. Mine went alright. I want to talk about how frustrating this white ink was. Oh my goodness. You could kind of see in some parts where it just didn't want to go onto the frame. I don't know what the hell. It is Rotring ink. Not so excited for it too, but it's just so frustrating. What is it about white paint, white ink, like those Posca pens? I don't know. I tried to draw on a mug and you could see all the spots right. I went over bits and it's more opaque in certain spots. I don't know. Same with the jelly rollers. Like, I don't know. This is just frustrating. Like with this pen, I used 0.40 with the white, I'm pretty sure. And normally with these Rotrings, you gotta, if you don't use them for a while, like you just say you're watching a show and you stop drawing for a minute, you gotta give it a little shake, maybe take off the end of the ink at the tip here, and then you're good to go. But with this is like, whenever I turn the frame a bit or something, it just dry up right away with the white ink. And I'd have to like shake it a few times, I gotta wipe it a few times, and then if I shake it too much, then too much white will come out, and it's very frustrating. I don't know what the heck's wrong with it. Maybe it's just the I don't know. It was weird. When I tested it on like this leather thing, it drew just fine, and I was like so excited because it was like, oh my god, this is amazing, it's beautiful. And when I went to go draw on the frames, it was awful. It was a nightmare. I just want to get done with, and I don't know. But the black was pretty good, but I did use a bigger nib, whatever. I used a 0.60, and I had to cut a lot of that footage because I don't know if I was just happy because it was drawing so well that I kept turning the frame. Maybe I forgot I was recording, and I turn it so much all the time, so I had to cut a lot of that out. I gotta stop doing that. But yeah, I was just excited when I started drawing with the black. It's like, this is so much easier, this is better, But yeah, I gotta test out the white ink on maybe a different surface. I would like to try stippling with it, because it was pretty nice stippling with it. And someone too mentioned, they said that the white ink isn't great for flow, but it was good for stippling. And I did a bit of stippling on here, and it was pretty good. I liked it. I liked the effect. But it sucks that I only have the 3 Rotrings. I wanted to buy another one just for white ink, like another 0.20, and I didn't realize how expensive these were. I got these 3 in a set for like $70, and then for one on its own on Amazon, it was like 40 to $50. I'm like, holy shit, these are expensive. So maybe I'll get another set. That'd be cool. Because with this, I have to like clean out the pen and the nib, and then put the white ink in. Now I like using my 0.20 with black ink, so it'll just be annoying to have to clean it out when I want to change ink. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. Also, I guess where I live, we don't have unlimited internet. Like, it sucks. We have a cap. And it's just frustrating. There's always something. Like my computer crashing out, or I don't like the quality of my video not turning out, the webcam not turning out, the audio is too loud, I get too busy. And now when I want to upload more frequently, it's like, oh, sorry, you live in a shitty town. It costs an arm and a leg once you go over internet. And there's no plan where you could like pay $20 for unlimited. It's just we have one internet carrier or whatever, and that's how it goes, which sucks. I think it's the same carrier for all of the northern Canada, like way up north, like way I don't know, it's just frustrating. So I don't know if I'll be able to upload more. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I should just stop watching my ASMR when I go to bed. Stop watching YouTube. I don't know. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to. And until next time, have a good day, evening, whatever.